Girl. Igloo. Very good. King. Milk. Orange. Queen. Very good, Tommy. Sun. Very good. Almost. That's not letter. What is this? Which letter? Yes. I love you, love. Water. Water. Watermelon. What is this? What is this? What is this one? You know it. You're curious about my thing. Come on. Next one. Same as in Thai. What is it in Thai? Which letter? Y is for? Huh? Yo-yo. Can you point at the letter M? M.
Yo-yo.
Very good. Where's the letter M? M. Is this the letter M? This? Letter M? This? This? Yes. Where's the letter Q? Q. Q is for? Where's Q? Where's the letter Q? Huh? Is your hand stuck? Where's the letter Q?
Tommy, can you point letter Q?
Here, point. Q.
Where?
Q. Point. Almost. That's the letter R. Almost. Where's the letter Q? Q. That's the letter P. Oh. M. This is the letter Q. Yes. Oh, it's too late. Where's the letter C? C. A, B. Yay, very good. Where's the letter Y? Y. Y is for... This way? This? Yes? Are you sure? This is the letter T. Where's Y? This letter Y? This? Oh, this letter B. This? This? You didn't.